What's up, everybody? So, as promised, review for yesterday's price action. So we started at 11 as always. There was no setups. There was this bearish zone, but it was the first flip after a trend day. So we don't even think about taking it. Okay. Then we didn't print a zone till here, right? But then price didn't mitigate its 50%. And all it did is they mitigated the golden bullet for it. Okay, then we close above this zone here. Okay, so we got now this zone, and now that I'm thinking about it, it was also a high probability zone because we took this mini zone 1 in here. We break structure again, so you sell the house and you buy this 50%. Okay, or we wait for confirmation. Okay, so confirmation here is closing above this bullish candle's high and you buy retracement into this range. Okay, so you buy this and you target the 1-to-1 for a 1.4 R or the week high. Okay, so that's that. Then we close above this, which makes this a valid zone, right? So this one, we have no confirmation going down, right? In this time frame at least, okay? So you should have taken it from the 50% and taken the 1-to-1, okay? Then we close above this high, making this now our valid zone, okay? This is all accumulation, so they broke structure internally here to come back. So these were beautiful trades if you guys trade in these models, right? So they all worked. Okay, this one had also some kind of or confirmation in the lower time frame. This was a breaker within FVG. Beautiful. Okay, now then we come here, right, to this 50%. Okay, so we either take the 2.0 from the 666 or this 1.0. So you had two trades in here. Okay, now precision trading liquidity, since this zone had this beautiful journal range liquidity in here, so precision play is to take this trade, okay, for the 1-to-1 or target the week high for a 20R. But this is crazy, okay? Can't take this every time, and sometimes they don't even work, okay? So confirmation here is closing above this high, which is, in my humble opinion, not that good of a deal, right? But here we close above this high and we validate again internally, right, this zone, okay? So since we didn't break this high, this was still a zone, okay? But in this time, since they already flipped in here, then came back down, and to be like very cautious, you wait for confirmation. Okay, so close above this high here. You have an FVG as well, so it's always a good thing to have FVGs here, right? So you buy retracement into this range. Okay, so just taking it from here to here, and you target the external range liquidity or the week high. Okay, so I hope this review was helpful. and I'll try to make another review for tomorrow's price action. Okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the Moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.